Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Ruble Solutions. We are back with the question answer series of class 4 chapter 6 playing with multiple sprites. If you want to learn about the full chapter, then you can go to the other video that is located on the playlist section of this channel, that is Ruble Solutions. This is the question answer series, means back question and answer of chapter 6 class 4 playing with multiple sprites. Let's go directly to question and answer page. Okay, here comes section A, filling the blanks. Scratch language provides object to which you can give commands to perform different actions. Sprite is small graphic character that performs action in the Scratch project. Scratch area is place where you pick and drop blocks to create a script area. Dash displays the thumbnail of sprites used in the project sprite list. The X value determines the dash location of sprite and Y value determines the dash location or height, that is horizontal and vertical. State true and false. The programmer snapped the blocks together to create a script. True. Stage is the main working area where a sprite moves and performs action. False. See the handwriting, it is good right now. You cannot drag the sprite anywhere on the stage. False. The Scratch stage is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. True. Cursor tools are located at the left of Scratch window. False. Now comes the application based questions. Ria is creating a project in the Scratch. She wants to add a new sprite in her project. Suggest her appropriate steps to do the same. First is paint new sprite and drag on to add new sprites. Second, choose new sprite from a file. Click on any sprite and click OK. Second question. Divya wants to hide the sprite from the stage. Suggest her the right block and the blocks palette for the same. The looks block palette contains various blocks that controls the appearance of sprite. It also introduces blocks to show and hide. Drag the blocks in the script area and run. Multiple choice questions. A computer can understand only few special languages known as programming languages. The collection of stepwise instructions given to a sprite is known as script. Dash button increases the size of sprite grow. The Y value of the stage can range from 180 to -180. To record your own sound in a project, you need a microphone attached to your computer system. The dash include information about the selected sprite as well as few tools for manipulating the sprite. What is a Scratch? Explain the main features of Scratch. Scratch is a programming language designed for children to learn computer programs. It enables children to create their own games, animated stories, जो कि हम थोड़ा कम बनाते हैं, and projects. Features. Scratch is available free of cost. Second, it is easy to understand. Third, graphical environment. What does the Scratch header pane display? Scratch header pane includes information about the selected sprite as well as few tools for manipulating sprite. It is known as current sprite information. Briefly explain any one method to add sprite on the stage. Choose new sprite from the file. Scratch contains many inbuilt sprite options. Clicking this button will open new sprite dialog box which displays multiple options of sprite. What is the purpose of clear graphic effect block in Scratch. This block removes all graphics effect you have applied to a particular sprite and brings it back to normal again. How can you record a new sound in Scratch? First, click on the record button present in the Sounds tab. A sound recorder pane will appear. It displays 3 buttons on it: play, stop and record. Click on the record button to start your recording, the increasing which indicates the recording has started. What is the purpose of glide 1 seconds to XY block in Scratch? A sprite can also be made to glide on the stage to a specific location. You have to specify X and Y location and number of seconds in this block. Students, if you are listening to me, then please always do a gratitude towards your parents, towards your teachers, towards gods and everybody. Because we are very lucky that we are able to learn things day by day. So I would like to inform you all that please, if you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel Rubal Solutions, because it helps to grow the channel. As the channel grows, the videos will be shared with more and more people and the engagement will be increased. So do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. And thank you so much. Have a nice day. Love, love.